A laminate trimmer is a compact, highly versatile woodworking tool designed primarily for trimming laminates, veneers, and edges with precision and ease. Unlike full-size routers, the laminate trimmer is lightweight and easier to handle, making it perfect for detailed finishing work, edging countertops, cabinetry, or decorative furniture pieces. Its ergonomic design and manageable size allow users to work comfortably even in tight or awkward spaces, ensuring smooth, clean, and accurate cuts without fatigue. Equipped with a high-speed motor and sharp cutting bits, the laminate trimmer glides effortlessly across surfaces, producing polished edges free of chips, burns, or imperfections. Whether it's for professionals working on large projects or hobbyists refining small woodworking tasks, this tool offers unmatched convenience and reliability. Beyond trimming laminates, this tool's adaptability allows it to be used for a variety of other precision tasks such as hinge mortising, edge profiling, and light routing jobs. It's an essential tool for carpenters, cabinet makers, and DIY enthusiasts who want flawless results without investing in heavier, bulkier machinery. Built for durability and ease of operation, many laminate trimmers also feature adjustable depth settings, variable speed control, and user-friendly bases that enhance control and accuracy. With its ability to deliver professional quality finishes on wood, plywood, MDF, and other sheet materials, a laminate trimmer stands out as an indispensable addition to any workshop. It bridges the gap between power and precision, giving craftsmen the confidence to achieve results that meet the highest standards of workmanship.